Dry your laundry to perfection when using the cutting-edge technology built into the Equator electric stackable sensor dryer. Its compact size, along with the option to stack this dryer, makes this model suited for any small space. You can also pair it with an optional pedestal storage door that can be purchased separately to raise the height of the dryer and provide added laundry storage space. The appliance comes with several standard cycles, including normal, heavy, eco, and delicate, as well as a variety of advanced cycle programs including Allergen, Sanitize, Refresh, and Choose. You can also choose between sensor dry and 3 heat levels for precise drying. Looking to purchase a full laundry appliance set? This ED880 dryer model is specifically designed to pair with the 835 Equator washer model. Along with its top quality time-saving drying programs, users are alerted every time the lint filter needs to be emptied. Other advanced features that are built into the ED880 model include automatic temperature control, a bright interior LED light, built-in diagnostics, and a reversible door for added convenience. Bring home the Equator electric stackable sensor dryer to start enjoying its unparalleled features today.